Look at the size of the gap on that. That's not good. Not long enough. They shimmed the door with cardboard. They shimmed the door with cardboard. You gotta be kidding me. So basically that's what it looks like. Got your sticks, your holes are filled. Make sure when you do this, if you take a hinge off, you put something under the door to prop it up, because it only has these two hinges to support it now. And as you can see, these ones have obviously been stressed because that one lost a screw and that one lost a screw. And it looks like that screw's a little in there crooked. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's a little crooked in there. It's not flush. And up here, they all look fine, so they shimmed this one and installed this one last by the looks of things. So what we're going to do is we're going to tighten everything up. I don't know what we're going to do about the spacing on this door, but I think if we tighten this one back on when the glue dries and tighten that one up and set that one loose with the new material there, we should be able to get that flush and square inside there again so the door sits even with even gapping on the spacing. Alright, see if I can do this correctly. Still a little wet, the glue is, but we're going to go ahead and see if this thing will, oh yeah, it's got good bite on it now. See? We're not going to put them too tight because we'll have to tighten them up when the glue's finished drying. Not easy doing this with two hands when you need three. Okay, that was good. Last one. Right here. It could be a little more centered, but we're going to go with it. There we go. So now those are in there. We'll go ahead and stitch up these sides of the hinges and finish off at the door. See what happens. Job's done. No more rubbing. nice and smooth. Make sure you watch your torque settings on your drill. Turn them low or you'll just strip it out again.